Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Press a white cloth to absorb wet ink. You must avoid rubbing because that spreads dye. Once done, mix 1 part dish soap with 4 parts water in a spray bottle and have 70% isopropyl at hand for stubborn marks. Make sure to test the mixture on an inconspicuous seam so you don't damage fabric. You'll work from the outside of the stain inward to prevent feathering. Get a second clean cloth ready. You now tackle the stain. Dampen a cloth with alcohol and dab the stain centered wedge. Alcohol breaks ink molecules so dye transfers to the cloth. Once the major pigment lifts, switch to the soap solution and spray lightly. This emulsifies remaining ink and oils. Make sure to blot after each application so you don't oversaturate the cushion. If fibers trap pigment, use a soft brush with light, controlled strokes. Don't scrub hard because abrasion can fuzz or set the stain. You finish by rinsing the treated area with a damp cloth to remove soap and residual alcohol. Blot to lift moisture, and set the cushion upright to air dry or use a fan for faster drying. Once dry, vacuum to revive the fabric nap and check results. If a faint shadow remains, repeat the targeted removal cycle. If the stain persists, test 3% hydrogen peroxide on a hidden patch because it can bleach. Otherwise, call.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.